it going, man?
You?
Good. Hey, I'm Officer Maury with the Greeley Police. The reason I pulled you over is the tinted plate cover you have over your temp tag. You can't have anything that like makes it darker like that. Mr. Trevino, can you step out of the car for me, please? Just face the car.
Whoa, don't touch me, dog.
You're under arrest.
For what?
Face the car.
For what?
You have a warrant out of evidence. Face the car, put your hands behind your back.
Relax.
Put your other hand behind your back. 469561, code 5. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Hey, I ain't doing shit. On the ground.
Get on.
Hey, let me get down. Look, I'm trying to go down. Look, man.
You're gonna get tased.
Turn around.
You're gonna get tased. Get on the ground.
Turn around.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
I ain't doing nothing.
Get on the ground. On your belly. You got that taser. You got that taser shit.
Fucking chase to me, dog.
Back up.
No, man. Hey, I don't want you to chase me no more, dog. Hey!
Drop the taser. Drop the taser.
I don't have it, man. I don't have it.
He's got a taser. He's got a taser right there. Now. Step out of the car for me, please. Just face the car.
Whoa, don't touch me, dog.
You're under arrest.
For what?
Face the car.
For what?
You have a warrant out of evidence. Face the car, put your hands
Hey,
behind your
man,
back.
calm down.
Relax.
You relax
Put
on
your
my
other
arm.
hand
I
behind your
am,
back.
dog. Hey, I ain't doing We're not doing that. Please, let go of me, dog. Get on the ground. What's up? Hey, I ain't doing shit.
Get on the ground.
Y'all watching this?
Get on the ground.
Record it. Hey, record that. Hey, let me go. Let me get down. Look, I'm trying to go down. Look, turn around.
You're gonna get tased. Get on the ground.
Turn around.
I'm down. Turn around. I ain't doing nothing.
Get on the ground, on your belly. He's got my taser. Taser shit.
Hey, I don't want you to take me no more, dog. Hey! I don't have it, man. I don't have it.
Watch her.
Hey, why did you hit me, dude?
Put your hands behind your
I'm
back.
trying to, man.
Do it now.
Do it now.
Watch her.
Look,
And watch him.
look, man, I am.
Let go.
Ah! Hey, record this, please. Ah!
Hold on.
Ah!
Just hold him.
Okay, man, I'm good.
I know. I'm handcuffing you.
You're twisting my arm. Let go of my arm. Oh, you're twisting my arm, dude.
Hook them together.
Keep recording.
Okay.
Y'all see him? He was punching me, man. For no reason.